Your next example is to find the radius of a curvature for the curve. R vector is this. Here x is 3a cos 2 theta, y is 4c sin cube theta, and z is 4c cos cube theta. For radius of a curvature, you have to differentiate r with respect to s. So differentiate it dr vector over ds. 3a as it is. Differentiate cos theta is minus sin 2 theta, and the derivative of 2 theta is 2. I into differentiate theta with respect to s, d theta by ds, plus 4c into 3 sin square theta, and sin theta is cos theta and theta is d theta by ds, j, plus 4c into 3 cos square theta, and cos theta is minus sin theta d theta by ds. Okay. Now take d theta by ds is common. You have minus 6a sin 2 theta I plus 12c sin square theta cos theta j minus 4 12c cos square theta and sin theta k d theta by ds. Now take common. Firstly, here I am opening sin 2 theta, and the sin 2 theta is a 2 sin theta and cos theta. Then it's become minus 12a sin theta and cos theta I plus 12c sin square theta cos theta j minus 12c cos square theta and sin theta k cap d theta by ds. Now take common. 12 sin theta and cos theta minus ai plus c sin theta j minus c cos theta k d theta by ds. Okay, this is the value of dr vector over ds. Now you have to find out the value of d theta by ds and substitute it here. This is the value of t cap. Okay, now take magnitude both sides. Then t cap is your unit vector. Then the magnitude of a unit vector is 1. Then you have 1 equals to under root. This is the value of t cap. This is the value of t cap. यहाँ मैंने क्या किया, इस इक्वेशन का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड आउट किया. यू हैव अ टी कैप, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ टी कैप बिकॉज ऑफ टी इज एन यूनिट वैक्टर, देन टी कैप इज 1. Square the real square of I coefficient, square of a j coefficient plus a square of a k coefficients is 144 sin square theta cos square theta a square plus c square sin square theta plus c square cos square theta into d theta by ds whole square. Take c square common, then sin square plus cos square is 1. You have 144 sin square theta and cos square theta a square plus c square d theta by ds whole square. Squaring both sides, then under root is removed. cos square theta a square plus c square into d theta by ds whole square. You have ds by d theta whole square equals to 144 sin square theta and cos square theta a square plus c square. Now remove square and take under root both sides. You have ds by d theta (12 sin theta and cos theta under root a square plus c square. Substitute the value of ds by d theta in this equation. You have t cap or r vector dash equals to 12 sin theta cos theta minus ai plus c sin theta j minus c cos theta k and d theta by ds, and the value of d theta by ds is 12 sin theta cos theta under root a square plus c square. Okay. Now solve it. Is cancelled by this. You have minus a I plus c sin theta j minus c cos theta k 1 by under root a square plus c square. R vector dash. Now again differentiate it with respect to s. Differentiate a is 0, c cos theta j, and the derivative of cos is sine, then plus c sin theta k cap, and the derivative of theta is d theta by ds. Now again substitute the value of d theta by ds. C cos theta j plus c sin theta k under root a square plus c square, and the value of d theta by ds is 12 sin theta cos theta under root a square plus c square. You have c cos theta j plus c sin theta k 1 by 12 sin theta cos theta a square plus c square. Here the coefficient of I is 0. Coefficient of j is c cos theta c over 12 sin theta a square plus c square, j plus c 12 cos theta a square plus c square k cap, and the coefficient of I is 0. This is an R vector double dash. This is the value of kappa n cap. So kappa n cap equals to this. Okay, now kappa equals to under root c square 12 sin 144 n cap is your unit vector and the magnitude of n cap is again 1. Then kappa is equals to this. Okay. Take c square is common. C 144. Take common 144 from under root. Then it's become 12. A square plus c square. We have 1 over sine square theta plus 1 over cos square theta. Okay. C over 12 a square plus c square. Take LCM. Cos square theta plus sine square theta over sine square theta and cos square theta. Sine square plus cos square is 1. We have c over 12 a square plus c square 1 over sine theta and cos theta. ओके एंड रूट से बाहर ले लिया मैंने टर्म को. cos sin theta into cos theta. C over 6 a square plus c square and 2 sin theta cos theta equals to c over 6 a square plus c square sin 2 theta. And in your question the value of theta is pi by 4, so substitute here theta equals to pi by 4. We have c over 6 a square plus c square sin 2 into pi by 4 pi by 2 and sin pi by 2 is 1. So curvature is kappa equals to c over 6 a square plus c square. Okay, it's your curvature. अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग वो आपसे पूछता है रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर क्या है तो आपको इसी प्रॉपर वे में उसे सॉल्व करना है. अदरवाइज आपके पास दूसरा मेथड है जहां आप कापा की वैल्यू को इसके अकॉर्डिंग भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. हमने आर्टिकल क्लास में रीड किया था कि कापा जो है वो आपके पास आर वेक्टर डॉट आर वेक्टर डबल डॉट आप इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालिए और हम इसको किससे डिवाइड कर देते हैं आर वेक्टर डॉट का मैग्नीट्यूड और उसका होल क्यूब. आप इससे भी कर्वेचर को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप क्वेश्चन को किस वे में, जो भी मेथड आप यूज करो बट वो प्रॉपर वे में होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सी फाइंड द कर्वेचर. इट्स योर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. फाइंड द कर्वेचर एंड द टॉर्जन फॉर द हेलिक्स. Here x, y and z and the r vector is xi, yj and z. के ठीक है. तो आपको यहाँ क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. कापा की वैल्यू मेरे पास क्या होती है आर वेक्टर डैश क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विद आर वेक्टर डबल डैश मैग्नीट्यूड निकालिए एंड डिवाइडेड बाय आर वेक्टर डैश मैग्नीट्यूड होल क्यूब. आप इससे भी इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. तो ये एग्जांपल्स जहाँ कर्वेचर और टॉर्जन आपको फाइंड आउट करना है आप वो ट्राई करना. बाकी मैं आपको बताऊंगी. कोई डाउट हो तो फिर पूछना.